Baby bus.
There are many countries on the earth. Do you want to learn about these countries? Tap on a country and let's learn about it together. Brazil is located in South America. Christ the Redeemer is a famous memorial statue in Brazil. Football is the most popular sport there. Guide, please introduce Brazil to me.
Brazil is the largest country in South America. There is a mysterious Amazon rainforest. The passionate Brazilians hold the Grand Carnival each year.
Wow! I can't wait to travel.
Where do you want to travel first?
Amazon Rainforest Adventure. Guide, where are we?
Here is the Amazon rainforest in Brazil. It is the largest tropical rainforest in the world.
Wow! What can we find in the tropical rainforest?
There are dangers in the rainforest, but there are also many interesting animals.
Can I go see those animals?
Of course! Let's explore the rainforest together. Mew Mew, do you know what it is?
Is it a lotus leaf? Why is it so big?
This is the Victorio amazonica. It has leaves much larger than those of ordinary lotus. Look, this is a jaguar. There seem to be many other animals in the rainforest. Let's check them out. There are many animals hiding in the rainforest. Can you find them?
No problem. Let me check them out. Let's check out where the animals are hiding.
We found an armadillo. It's like a mouse in armor. Look, here is an anteater. It eats lots of ants with its long tongue. This is a jaguar. It has the shape of a tiger, while the pattern on its body is similar to that of a cheetah. We've found a golden lion tamarin. Although it's a monkey, it's as mighty as the lion due to its long golden hairs. We've found a sloth. It's lazy and slow in movement.
Let's keep going and check out other animals.
Look, there are many trees in the rainforest that grow in the water like this.
Wow! It's amazing!
Look, there are also animals in the water too. Let's check out what kind of animals they are. There are many special animals in the Amazon.
Let's check them out together. Please help me find this animal.
This is a spectacled caiman. It is a kind of crocodile that inhabits South America. We've found an electric eel. It can produce electric shock to make people faint. Look, this is a pink Amazon River dolphin. It looks like a dolphin, but lives in the river instead. We found a piranha. It is ferocious with extremely sharp teeth. This is a giant otter. It is good at swimming and is a fishing expert that likes eating meat.
Let's continue with our adventure.
Oh no, it's raining. The tropical rainforest experiences sudden rainfalls quite often.
What should we do?
Don't worry, I've got an umbrella. Look, Mew Mew, there are some birds.
They are so pretty. I want to know more about them.
There are so many pretty birds. Let's take pictures of them.
Okay, sure. I want to take a picture of this bird.
This is a macaw. Its plumage is colorful and very pretty. Here is a picture of a colored trogon. It has a ring of feathers that looks like a white collar. Wow, a nice photo of a toucan. This has a large bill. This is an Amazon parrot. Most of its plumage is green. We found a cream-colored woodpecker. Its bill is pointy and hard.
Let's keep going and check out other animals. Fantastic! The rainforest adventure is a success!